How is everyone doing today? Today is February 5th, 2020, so it's time to get into some technical analysis. So the last video was very long, so what I did, I just drew my analysis beforehand, and I'm just going to explain everything you guys see on the charts. So you can see here, with yesterday, we could see that it did touch this support, went up, broke through the resistance, and as I said previously, once it breaks, well, sometimes, when the price sometimes breaks resistance, it tends to kind of consolidate back, touch the line again, which is now support. Since this is because when price breaks resistance, it becomes support. So we can see here that it touched off the support line and went back up to the next resistance, and we can see here it just went back down. So what we can see here, or what I'm predicting, guys, is it looks like it's rejecting this support level again. So it looks like it's going to bounce off, and then we can see another test of the same resistance. GBP CAD, see here that it's gone through the support, and what is this? Oh, this is not supposed to be here. Let's just get this out of the way first, guys. Okay. So now that's gone, let's just go back into the charts. It looks like I haven't finished this, but yeah, so we could see here that it broke through support. We could see a trend line right here, and it does look like it's rejecting it. So we can see another, we can see this go up again. So that's GBP CAD, GPUSD. It broke through support, and either it'll shoot back up, or we can see another test of this support right here, and it'll shoot back up. Moving on to GBP odd. Moving on to GBP odd, guys. Looks like it's gonna. Looks like right now it's hovering around this support line. I can see this shoot back up. GBP NZD is following this trend line nicely. You saw two rejections here. There's support right here around this level, so we could see price go back up, test this trend line again, and then go back down. GBP Chef, right now it's at the trend line, and it looks like it's going to bounce back off, and we can see another test for this resistance. USD JPY. USD JPY is still bullish. See here. There's a resistance right here, so you can definitely see a rejection at this price level, and it'll go back down. USD CAD broke through multiple resistances, and we can draw a trend line right here. So we respected this trend line 3 times, and this just shows that the price was bullish, and now we're at this key resistance level. So what I'm thinking is that the price is gonna go back down. We can see either kind of a rangy market once it touches the support line, or we can see a breakout to the downside. USD Chef, very simple here. Bullish move, respected the trend line twice, and now it is at resistance. So what I'm thinking is we can see a price go down, touch the trend line again, and then shoot back up. Odd CAD looks like it's rejecting the resistance level, and I could see a breakout of this trend line right here. And if it does, then we're going to be in a bearish market. Odd Chef, same thing. Looks like it's rejecting this price level right here, and we can see it go back down to around I'm saying around here, this level right here, AUD/USD. We could definitely see it did respect the resistance line. You can definitely see the trend line, the price breaking the trend line, and which if it does, it will go down to the next support level. And once it does, I do think it's gonna go back up and either continue being in the ranging market or do a breakout. On NZD, we can see right here, it looks like it is rejecting this price, and we can see price go to the downside. All JPY, same thing here. Looks like it's rejecting this key level, and we can see price move down. NZD/USD. So it got out of the ranging, this kind of price range, broke out, and now it looks like it's kind of ranging again with this price with these key levels, these two key levels right here. NZD Chef, bullish move up. Looks like it's respecting the trend line. We can see another touch until going back up. NZD JPY looks like it's rejecting this resistance level, and we can definitely see the price move down. NZD CAD, again here, you can see another test of the trend line before shooting back up and breaking through this resistance level. CAD JPY, predicting the same thing here, another test before breaking out. CAD Chef definitely, we could definitely see a breakout or definitely see a rejection for this level, touch the trend line, go back up. Euro NZD, I don't know what this is doing here. Euro NZD, guys, looks like it broke through trend line, and we can see more movement down. Next is Euro AUD. Euro AUD, we can see that it'll most likely touch this line, but it already looks like it's reversing, so we could see price move up. Euro CAD, you see resistance level right here. If it breaks, it should either touch here, this level, or it'll break all the way through, and we can see price touch this key level. Euro Chef, same thing here, rejection from resistance. Looks like it's going to test the trend line and go back up. Euro GBP, respected the trend line nicely. There is resistance right here, so once again we can see another test of this trend line. Euro JPY, looks like we can see that long nice rejection wick right here, so we can see price move down to this support level. Euro USD, very bearish move. You can see that it touched the trend line, went back down, and I'm thinking it will, what I'm thinking, guys, it's gonna touch this line, touch this key level of support, and then go back up, either break through the trend line, or it's gonna touch it and then go back down, touch this key level again until breaking out. Chef JPY, same thing here. If it breaks through this trend line, we can see movement to the downside. If we don't, we can see price continuing going up. Gold, same thing with gold. It looks like it touched a key level of support, and it does look like it's going to break through the trend line and go on a bullish move. So that is all the technical analysis for today.